Have you ever found yourself desperately trying to capture her attention, only to feel like you're losing touch with who you really are? It's a frustrating and lonely place to be, and if that resonates with you, know that you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into how to communicate in a way that not only keeps her intrigued, but also helps you maintain your dignity and self-respect. Many believe that to impress someone, grand gestures are the key. But let's flip that idea on its head. The ancient wisdom of Stoicism reminds us that true connection stems from confidence, authenticity, and a calm mindset. This isn't about playing games or manipulating feelings, it's about revealing your true self and building genuine connections that resonate on a deeper level. So, get comfortable and open your mind as we explore effective communication strategies rooted in Stoic philosophy that will keep her chasing you while you remain true to who you are. Imagine you're on a date. Instead of spilling every detail about your life, keep things light and purposeful. Share just enough to pique her interest, creating a magnetic pull that draws her in. This isn't just smart, it's straight from the Stoic playbook. Marcus Aurelius emphasized speaking with intention. By holding back certain details, you create an air of mystery that captivates her. When she asks about your hobbies, don't just rattle off a list. Instead, share a captivating detail, like a breathtaking view from a hike that left you speechless, and leave the full story for another time. This keeps her engaged and ignites her curiosity, making her want to learn more about you as your connection deepens. Think about your favorite stories. The best ones often don't reveal everything at once. They keep you guessing and wanting more. By mastering the art of suggestion, you can transform a simple conversation into an engaging dialogue filled with intrigue. This isn't about being elusive. It's about enhancing the experience and ensuring she feels there's more to discover. When you create that space for curiosity, it fuels her desire to chase after you. When connecting with others, authenticity is your greatest asset. There's something incredibly magnetic about someone who embraces who they are, quirks and all. Stoicism teaches us to align our actions with our true selves. By being genuine, you become someone she can't help but be drawn to. Real confidence doesn't come from bravado. It comes from a deep understanding and acceptance of yourself. When you communicate your thoughts and values clearly, you invite her to appreciate the real you, flaws included. This is the essence of Stoic thought. Self-awareness leads to genuine interactions that are rich and fulfilling. Don't shy away from vulnerability. It can be scary to open up, but sharing your dreams, fears, and even insecurities can create an emotional connection that resonates deeply. Vulnerability, when expressed thoughtfully, can be incredibly attractive. This aligns perfectly with Stoic wisdom. By being open and honest, you let her see your humanity, fostering a stronger bond. Rejection is a part of life, and facing it with grace is essential. It stings, no doubt about it, but instead of reacting impulsively, practice emotional resilience. Remember that her feelings don't define your worth. They're simply part of the complex nature of relationships. Focus on what you can control, your reactions, emotions, and actions. Cultivating inner peace amidst the chaos makes you a beacon of stability. This isn't about ignoring your feelings, it's about embracing them with a balanced perspective that showcases your maturity. After a date or interaction, take some time to reflect. What went well? What could you improve? This practice of self-reflection, rooted in Stoicism, allows you to grow and adapt, making you even more appealing in future interactions. One of the most powerful tools in your communication arsenal is active listening. When she speaks, give her your full attention. This not only shows her that you value her thoughts, but also deepens your connection. Reflect on what she says and ask follow-up questions to show genuine interest. A good sense of humor can break the ice and create a relaxed atmosphere. Stoicism teaches us not to take ourselves too seriously. Use use lighthearted jokes or witty banter to keep the mood playful, but always be mindful of her responses. Ensure your humor resonates with her. Your body language speaks volumes. Maintain open and confident posture. Make eye contact and smile genuinely. These nonverbal cues convey confidence and warmth, making her feel comfortable and attracted to you. Remember, actions often speak louder than words. Creating memorable experiences together can strengthen your bond. Whether it's trying a new activity, exploring a new place, or simply enjoying a quiet moment, shared experiences foster intimacy and connection. Never underestimate the power of expressing gratitude. A simple compliment or acknowledgement of something she does can go a long way. It shows that you notice and appreciate her, reinforcing the emotional connection between you. In today's fast-paced world, being present is a rare gift. Put away distractions and truly engage with her. Your undivided attention speaks volumes about your interest and care, making her feel valued and cherished. Embrace the idea of continuous self-improvement. Stoicism encourages us to seek knowledge and grow as individuals. Pursue your interests, learn new skills, and strive to be the best version of yourself. This not only enhances your own life, but also makes you more appealing to others. Setting personal goals gives you a sense of purpose and direction. Share these goals with her, allowing her to understand your aspirations and the journey you're on. This transparency can create a deeper connection as she becomes invested in your growth. Life can be chaotic, so finding balance is essential. Prioritize your well-being, both mentally and physically. Engage in activities that nourish your soul, whether it's exercise, meditation, or pursuing hobbies. A balanced life makes you more attractive and grounded. Understanding your own emotions and those of others is crucial in building relationships. Stoicism teaches us to be aware of our feelings and reactions. Take time to process your emotions before responding to situations, especially challenging ones. Empathy is a powerful tool for connection. Put yourself in her shoes and try to understand her perspective. Show compassion and support when she shares her feelings or struggles. This not only strengthens your bond, but also fosters trust and intimacy. Conflicts are inevitable in any relationship. When disagreements arise, approach them with a calm and rational mindset. Use Stoic principles to remain composed and seek solutions together, rather than letting emotions escalate the situation. As we wrap up this exploration of Stoic principles in communication, remember that attracting someone boils down to being genuine while embracing the wisdom of the ancients. By harnessing the power of mystery, authenticity, and emotional resilience, you can forge connections that not only keep her interested, but also allow you to remain true to yourself. If this resonates with you, I encourage you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on authentic communication and personal growth in your relationships. Ready to change the way you connect? Let's keep this journey going together, and remember, every step you take towards authenticity is a step towards deeper, more meaningful connections.